I had no idea I was about to get knighted at the biggest LARP in North America. I learned that knighting ceremonies are kind of a big deal at Bicolline. All I knew before the ceremony is that I was asked to show up wearing my best armor so I could show support for my friends who I knew were getting knighted. Ricard was getting knighted because he created this amazing cannon we use in battle. He's also an all-around amazing person. And I knew that McCracken was getting knighted. She's an inspiring, badass bagpiper on and off the battlefield and is a wonderful human being. I learned that the Kingdom of Argonne decided to knight me because at last year's battle I helped collapse some shield walls, also known as turtles. To get to the objective, I wedged a flamberge through the cracks in the shell over and over until we were able to get through. I was just having a ton of fun fighting with Argonne, which is why I was so honored and surprised. Shortly after we arrived at the ceremony, McCracken got knighted, and then the Queen of Argonne called me forward. Here's what she had to say.
I will call forward. Bud!
Bud Basil! Bud Basil!
But I think there is an act of, I wouldn't even say bravery, maybe she was a bit crazy. It was definitely arrogant. Can someone testify for Bud?
I will testify for Bud Basil, also known as Bud the Berserker. On the battlefield, Bud fights alone, together, and against all odds, in the most fearsome manner and elegant manner one may ever see, if it pleases.
Testimony is accepted, and I would like to add that Bud shall now be known as the Turtle Slayer.
Turtle Slayer!
And now I'm the 5th Knight of Argonne. Also, Trixie from my guild received the special title of Lady of the Lake for her hard work on the battlefield by making sure everyone stays hydrated. The ceremony was so much fun, and it was heartwarming to see my friends' dedication to this game be recognized by the kingdom. I already miss Bicolline so much, and I can't wait to go back next year.